What if I told you that one of history's most powerful rulers spent his nights writing self-help journals by candlelight? And what if this same man could probably bench press you while discussing the meaning of life? Hey, knowledge seekers! Today we're diving into the life of Marcus Aurelius. And trust me, this isn't your boring history lesson. We're talking about a Roman emperor who was basically the ancient world's combination of the Rock and Socrates. Born in 121 CE, young Marcus wasn't born to be emperor, but fate had other plans. While other noble kids were living the soft life, Marcus was waking up before dawn, training his body and mind with the discipline of a warrior monk. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike many rulers who let power go to their heads, Marcus developed a philosophy that would make most modern self-help gurus look like amateurs. 3 principles that made Marcus an absolute unit, both physically and mentally. Marcus believed that our happiness doesn't depend on external events, but on how we perceive them. Mind-blowing, right? He was basically teaching cognitive behavioral therapy almost 2,000 years before it was cool. Train body and mind as one? While other philosophers were just sitting around talking, Marcus was out there getting gains, both physical and mental. He believed in the connection between physical discipline and mental strength. But here's the wild part. Marcus wasn't writing his philosophy for us. His book Meditations was basically his personal journal. Imagine finding your dad's diary, but instead of embarrassing stuff, it's filled with wisdom that would change the world. As emperor, he faced plagues, wars, and betrayals. But instead of crumbling under pressure, he used these challenges to grow stronger. He was literally writing philosophical masterpieces in between defending the empire and crushing his enemies. So what can we learn from this absolute unit of a philosopher? Adversity builds character and muscles. True power comes from controlling yourself, not others. Your mind is your strongest muscle. But what do you think? Could Marcus's ancient wisdom help us tackle modern problems? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about philosophical champions who could probably outlift you, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Remember, as Marcus would say, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one, and maybe hit the gym while you're at it. Thank you.